I'm Joel Katz. I'm a ukulele instructor, among other things, at University of Hawaii. And I've been wanting to make a video for students that really are having a hard time figuring out how to strum the thing and make it sound good. This comes naturally to some people, other people it's really a struggle. So in this video, I'm going to really break down some details of strumming a ukulele. Okay, so here's a couple of points I'm going to bring up. If you're a total beginner, and there's lots of different ways to do this, but for a beginner, this is a way to get you going. So I'm right-handed. You can do this if you're left-handed, just opposite. On my right hand, I'm going to use my index finger. I'm just going to hold a C chord here so it sounds good. So first thing to do is rotate your finger so it's pointing a little bit down, and you're going to strum it with your fingernail. So here's what's going on with this. When you rotate your finger down and really relax it, it can flex as it bounces. I don't know if you can see it, but it bounces as it goes over the string. If your finger is sideways, the string is going to fight you because your finger won't bounce, okay? So make sure you're rotated about at least 45 degrees, and then you really relax your finger, and it's flexing here at my first knuckle there. Okay. Number two, don't let your finger go below the plane of the strings. Like, we don't want it down there. Get it so it's barely grazing the top, and practice this. You'll get the most sound and the most sound, the most tone when you do this. Digging into the strings just gives you a lot of junk and noise. Okay, so one, angle your finger 45 degrees downward. Let it flex and relax. We want it to flex, so don't stop it from flexing with your thumb. Okay, and again, don't go below the plane of the strings. Keep it right at the very top and relax. So what makes the strum, we're actually pushing the string down at like a 45-degree angle. And if you try to push it sideways, it's going to resist you. And this is what I see a lot of beginners getting hung up on. Okay. So angle down, gently grazing over the top. I'm making a motion. Let me get this. I do it a lot with my finger and just opening and closing it. Okay. There's slight wrist, but it's like opening a door. No elbow. We don't need a karate chop. And almost, I think, the less you move, the better. So these are other things to work on. So the upstrum too is really the same thing. Our finger's not going to flex like the knuckle, but it's important to just close your finger. Don't let it go below the plane of the string. It's gently across the top. And again, I'm pushing it down at an angle, and it makes the sound when the string releases off my finger. Okay? I'm gently brushing the top in both ways. What else can I say? Summarize again. Angle your finger down. Don't let it go below the plane of the string. Really practice just grazing the top, and push the string at a 45-degree angle, not sideways.